I'm going to make this quick video today demonstrating how to make a page-by-page or multi-step form using JotForm. On JotForm, they call this a card form. This is similar to those nice typed forms that you might see on some websites where it asks one question at a time. It kind of breaks a long form into step-by-step bits. So to get started, what would we like to create? We'd like to create a form. So we'll click Form here. We'll then start from scratch for this example. You could also use a template, import a form, or choose one of these other options. So here's where we're going to select, instead of a classic form where you have all of the form questions listed on one form, one page, we're going to use a card form to show a single question per page. So here you can have your welcome page, change your logo if you'd like to do that. I'll just drag a few questions in here. We'll start with your name, your email, your address, phone number, and let's see, we can add a drop down. So here's our form editor. If we want to, say, reposition, email after address, we can drag it and drop it here. I'm now going to preview the form, and we can see what this step-by-step card form is going to look like. So here we have the first question, which is name. Second question, address. And I love how it gives you this little progress bar down here. It even shows when you hover over each little dot on here. I look at it kind of like a map. This is the row you're on. It shows what's coming next. So there you have it. All of the questions are separated on a single page. This is just using the default styling. There's a ton of options or custom CSS that you can do to make this form fit your brand or look however you would like it to look. So thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful if you're looking to create multi-step forms using JotForm.